Alright guys, so I'm gonna take a look at another store. Okay, so this is Gymshark. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know about this. This is like a very big branded gym store, like a fitness brand. I believe they started as a drop shipping store, if I'm not mistaken. But now you see, you know, they're really big company. They do a lot of influencer marketing, I believe. But you see how clean it looks, guys? Even if you go to mobile, you see, guys, everything just looks clean, guys. This is what you want to go for. You want to go for quality and you want to go for that clean look. And what I really like about this store is like how everything just seems to be so smooth. And you see right there, the cookie section, all the information is showing clean. You see the buttons here, white. They don't have black, gray, different types of button. And all the fonts, you could see they're all the same, guys. This is what you want to go for. Clean look, professional look, and high quality pictures, guys. Okay, yeah, so this is another drop shipping store. This looks like a one product store. Actually, I don't want to give too much information about this store because I actually know who owns this store. It is actually a big drop shipping YouTuber that owns this store, and they are killing it. I don't even think that this brand is probably gonna last forever. Like, they killed it. Now this store is very simple, and I've been watching this store from the beginning. As you could see, clean, colors match. They're actually using a free theme. They're not even using a paid team. It's just like, you see the logo, hair feel. They have, you know, the hair thing going on with the logo, and, you know, all the buttons match. Like I'm telling you guys, you see everything is high quality, white background picture, high quality overall. You see, this store is just clean, guys. Simple, clean, and they're making a killing. Before, didn't have any branding on it, you know, it was just some drop shipping pictures, but it was clean. And then they just started focusing on that store, and then it blew up. I was seeing their ads everywhere. So now they're so big, guys. They're so big. So this is another good example, guys. This one, let me see, what do I like about this one? From first glance, they're matching all the colors. Also, guys, make sure you check your site speed. This is very important. It's very important in terms of your conversion. I like the fact that they have the video right there explaining the product, so that's pretty cool. This is really dope. You know, Business Insider, I'm not sure if that's true or not, but this is really nice to have. Let's move on to another store. Flex desks, let me see. I like the color scheme. You see how, you know, the buttons, everything matches the logo. Clean, high quality pictures from this store as well. It looks like they have a little video, so I'm not gonna play that, but let's look at their product page real quick. Shop now. Again, that's a one product store. One thing that I don't like about this, again, is the image, guys. I would prefer to use an image with a white background, maybe something like this. You see how it looks a lot cleaner, and they have a lot of different pictures of the same thing. I would definitely clean that up. See the tabs. I would do a little bit better in terms of the product description and additional information. He doesn't even have anything there. I would probably use this as specifications, something like that, and put some more information in there. He has some information over here about the product. Then he has the description over there. I think that's kind of confusing, but overall, I think the site's a pretty good site. Let's move on. This, you see, they're using a free team as well, guys, but it's clean, guys. The buttons match. Let me see, bento. So they probably selling these low containers, but you see how the website is clean and focusing on healthy eating and the quality of the pictures, guys. This is very important, guys. I don't want to sound like a broken record, but this is very important, guys. Product page, you see, guys, white background, clean pictures, BPA free. So that's really good to put there. It's like it's food grade, and it's for recycling issues, eco-friendly. This is really nice. I mean, even though I would have done a better job in terms of the product page itself, and I feel like everything is uneven. The pictures, I don't like how this is stretched out past the pictures. I would fix that. I don't know, guys. I'm sort of a perfectionist. Okay. I like everything to look good, really good, really clean. This is how you make the money, guys. Trust me. Again, the main thing is your product, because this will sell. I can tell you right now, this will sell. But me, I would just put some extra effort to it to make it look even better. But this is a good site though. You see, guys, again, with the header, you don't want to have too much stuff going on. But overall, guys, this is really nice. Let's move on. This looks very professional, and this is very clean. As you guys could see, the text, the button, everything looks the same. They're probably not using a free team either, but you don't need all that, guys, to make the money. Trust me. But Again, another good site if you want to take a look. This is a one product store. I like the color schemes. I've seen ads from this product before. This is definitely a dropshipping product. I think they started as dropshipping and then they branded the product. I think they're the leading brand when it comes to these water bottles. If you look at the website on mobile view, it looks pretty good on mobile view, and they have, you know, US shipping only, which is pretty dope as well. Yeah, they probably big now. They branded the product and everything else, so that's pretty dope. That should be the goal, guys. You start as a dropshipping store, and if it's going good, you definitely gotta brand the product. It's a must. All right, so quickly go over some other stores. This is definitely a drop shipping store, but the store looks clean, guys. You see the color scheme. This is clean, guys. This is what you want to go for. This is beautiful. All right, I'm not gonna spend too much time. You guys get the idea what I'm looking for. You see, this gives it away, the TM. A lot of drop shipping stores, especially one product stores, are doing that right now, but they're definitely not using a free team either. But this is clean, guys, very clean. So let's move on. Another one product store, drop shipping store. This is very clean. The name Trade Good, you already know it's a drop shipping store, but man, this is clean, guys. This is what you want to go for, guys. And with this, guys, as you could see, they are advertising a couple of products, right? They have the power bank, and it looks like they have air diffuser. Yep, air purifier. So they're probably using this as an upsell or something. They're not really related, but that's okay. But it looks good, guys. I like this store as well. Just check their product page real quick. As you can see, guys, I love this 30-day trial, easy return, free shipping. Everything is just clean, guys. Clean and simple. You have the video right there. Phone capability. They have the description of the product. They have the reviews, guys. All right, another one. This again, guys, one product store. This is what you want to strive for. Again, sorry if I sound like a broken record, but look at this, right? Even the name, oh snap, they have the snap, you know, grip. Just the name relates with the product. The high quality picture, guys, fits all phone. Everything is clean, guys. You got to put in the work, guys. You have to. Even if you know, focus on one general store, make sure everything is clean. You see the titles, the different type of stuff they have. The text font is matching, guys. This is very, very important. When a customer comes in this store, they don't think drop shipping, they don't think scam. You see, this is what I was talking about in terms of your header. Make sure you have a drop down, and then if you have an under shop now, and then you have all the different categories. This is the product page, guys. Look at this. This is beautiful, guys. This is what you want to go for, you know? No risk, lifetime warranty. This is pretty dope. This is actually something I'm going to use in my store now. No risk, lifetime warranty. This is a very, very good idea. And also, guys, before you build your store, you could just go on Google, type the name of the product, or type something similar to your product. Just see what your other competitors are doing, how they are designing their stores and stuff like that, guys. This is how you get better. You got to keep trying. You got to see what other people are doing, guys. Very, very important. All right, guys, this is another drop shipping store. Wow, this is amazing. This is pretty cool, guys. Best sellers, even though they have other upsell product, everything just looks so clean, guys. This is like the perfect one product type stores, and it's definitely a drop shipping store. The name give it out, the track order right there. They even have an affiliate program. That means they're doing pretty good. Everything is just clean, guys. This is what you want to strive for, okay? This is another store. This is actually a general store. You see how it has catalog? This is what I was talking about. He doesn't have everything just laid out in the header. And he has all the different categories. It could be under catalog, or you can have it under shop now, whichever one you want to do. And you see how, like I was saying, he has the collections here. Most popular products. I would use different pictures over here in this section. These pictures, they look scammy. I'm not a big fan of these pictures. I'm not going to spend the time to read this, but I'm not sure what the purpose of this here is for. I kind of like this, love your life, shop now, but I would use a better picture and maybe a better type of sentence, because love your life, this has to do with home. Maybe I'll use something like get you an ideal home or ideal products for home, because he's focusing on home, guys. So you want everything to match. This is what I'm talking about. And also all these guys, the pictures, they look scammy. That's what everybody's using, trying to find better pictures. Or guys, you could hire somebody on Fiverr or something to just remove the backgrounds for you, give you some good quality pictures, or learn it yourself. You could do it for free using Canva. I'm gonna have a video where I'll build the store from scratch for you guys, so you guys could see exactly how you could do everything without using an expensive theme, and how you can get around getting some good pictures and stuff like that. And also, guys, I would suggest that you always remove this, powered by Shopify. We actually have a video how to do this in less than 5 minutes. It's pretty easy, guys. Just look at one of these products. Okay, this I'm not a big fan of, guys. Too many colors. You just have the badge right over here, right in the middle. I'm not a big fan of this, guys. You see how he already has the badge over here. Just too much stuff going on, too many colors. But I'll definitely, you know, do some changes to make this even better. And they're using a free theme as well. Okay, so this store is another general store. As you guys could see, man. No! Can't be this lazy, guys. You don't want to do this. Talk about your brand. They don't even put any information in the front page. You don't want to do this, guys. You gotta focus, and they don't have any header for their links. This is this is too sloppy. No good logo. This is too sloppy. This another general store. Pictures, guys. It looks too scammy. It looks like what everybody else is doing, and I don't know about these prices. This feels lazy to me. I don't like it. Another store. Again, guys, you don't want to do this. These pictures, looking at this just feels all over the place. Colors, too many colors, guys. You don't want to do this. You don't want to be like everybody else. So this product page definitely needs a lot of work. These pictures, look at this. This is ugly, guys. No, don't do this. But the only thing that I really like, I like this picture. You see how it's clean, high quality. I like pictures like that. And then the logo, you could see the logo sitting pretty well over it. I definitely like that. But that's about it for this video, guys. Again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate you guys. And I just want to say thank you again to Robinson for allowing us to review the store openly on our YouTube channel and be able to share it with you guys. Again, if you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Again, we appreciate every one of you guys. Thank you for supporting us, and again, we're gonna try to keep blessing you guys with as much videos as possible. We apologize for the inconsistency. I mean, we've been really busy, but we will definitely keep trying our best and keep growing this family, and hope you guys have a blessed rest of your days. I'll see you guys later. Peace.